All right, so I want to show you something in Photoshop called Generative Fill. You can use AI to fill in empty areas for you. Um, and I don't need to be like super perfect or super precise, but because I'm going to have stuff on top of this. But this is just kind of one of those things that I thought I would show you so you can see it in action. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit this Generative Fill button right here, and then it asks me what it is I would like to generate. I want to say textured, oops, right here, textured background that matches what is already there. Hit generate. And we'll see what happens. Wow, it even kind of like got the implication that there was a bikini top here and that this was a shoulder and an arm. That's pretty awesome. So we can like check different different ones and see what if we like that better, which we like better. I kind of like the first one better. I think that works out pretty well. So let's go with that. And if we look at the layers property here, we can have here's our generated background. And it matches. We can just merge these two layers together if we want to, or just maybe even use a little mask on top of this. We'll see. Anyway, thought I'd show that to you.